Hi, welcome to Chic Party Rentals and thanks for watching. If you watched our channel before, you know we do some napkin folding videos. So today we're going to do another holiday style. Today we're going to cover folding your napkin into a holiday tree. So to get started, we're going to open up the napkin fully in front of us and then we're going to fold it in half. Now we're going to fold the napkin in half the other direction so it becomes a smaller square. Now we're going to spin the napkin towards us so that the open sides are facing us and we can fold them as you see here. Now we're going to go ahead and fold each layer up as you see here, one layer at a time, and each slightly lower than the one before it. Then we'll flip our napkin over and go on to our next step, which is folding each side in. So go ahead and fold your first side in, and then you're going to fold your second side right on top of that. Let's take a look at that one more time. Now you have two options to fold your tree at this point, and we're going to cover both. The first would be to fold your leaves up into the leaf above it. Second would be to fold them under into themselves. Let's go ahead and start with folding our leaves up. We're going to go ahead and take our top leaf here, and we're going to fold it up so it covers the top corner of the napkin. Then we'll take our next leaf and we'll fold it up and tuck it under the leaf in front of it. You can kind of mess with whatever length you like. And then we're just going to continue doing that with all the remaining leaves. After tucking your last leaf, you're going to take the bottom portion and tuck that right under. It's a little bit thicker, but you're going to do the same exact thing. Fix whatever you like, and voila! You now have a Christmas tree napkin with its leaves folded up. Now let's take a look at our second option, which is folding your leaves down underneath themselves. So for this option, we're still going to fold both of our sides in as we did before, but now we're going to take our little tail at the bottom and we're going to tuck that under as well, and then we'll go ahead and flip our napkin over. And as before, we're going to start with our top leaf and we're going to fold it underneath itself instead of up the way we did the last time. And we'll continue on with each leaf. Of course, you can adjust any of them as you go. This time, once you get to that last leaf, you simply fold it under and you're done. Our bottom leaf was already tucked under before we flipped the napkin over. And there you go. Here's your folded napkin with the leaves tucked under. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for other napkin folding options and other fun videos from Chic Party Rentals.